Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeff, and for the next couple of minutes, I'll be your spokesman. I am from theboxmen.com, also from thestreammachines.com. That's our new website. We've changed the way that you should watch TV. In this video, we're going to take a look at maybe 2 tips on keeping your media device from buffering and keep it running smooth. If this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way, when I'm able to drop a short video and if you like the content, hopefully it will help you out. Now, the Stream Machines YouTube channel, what we do is we take the difficult things in streaming and make them simple for you by one video at a time. Now, the way streaming has taken over a lot of our entertainment, it behooves us, or it should direct you to find out how to keep it from buffering. Now, if you're not familiar with the term buffering, it's just a streaming term that if you've ever tried to watch something and it just stutters and stutters, they call that buffering. It's just inconsistent or consistently choppy. There's several things that you can do as a consumer and a streamer that we're going to take a look at. Now, there are like 2 types of boxes, okay? The box I'm going to be previewing is a Formula Z11 Pro Max. That's what we call this type of box, or the name of it, is an Android TV device. Now, I have another unit that I've been reselling and another unit that I'll support called the SuperStream. The SuperStream is a stock Android device. Both of these Android devices have, different memory, different processing or processors, but they ultimately, you choose one of the 2, right? To get a better experience based on what you're looking for, your budget, so on and so forth. But the main thing you're going to need is utilities. And there's a great utility from the Google Play Store called RAM Cleaner that we're going to take a look at, that you can get from the Google Play Store, or you can find another one if you have one. So there are 2 ways to get it done. Let's just take a look at it right now. Okay. So if you go, one of the reasons why you want to close the applications running in the background, because over time, it'll make the unit buffer. Because think about it, if you have 20 applications opened up in the background, each of those 20 applications are pulling from the internet. And since they're pulling from the internet, it affects the performance of your unit, especially if you're in challenging Wi-Fi, if you have challenging Wi-Fi connectivity, or you have a device that doesn't have a lot of memory or a good processor. So to alleviate that, you just want to be able to do it. To clean your device. So this application that I found the other day is called RAM Cleaner. I'll show you how that works in a moment. Since I'm on the Formula, if I press the home button twice, let me see if I can do it. You will see every single app or every single window or application running in the background. All this is running in the background right now on my box. And so over time, if you don't close these windows, they will affect performance. Okay. So I'm going to go back. So the first thing you want to do is, if you're going to try to do it on your own, you can do it manually. Now, manually means you can go to settings, go down to apps, and now you can open up all the apps here, and you can basically close all these applications by clicking on it, and that's where you can you can't uninstall it, but you can, I thought you could, let me 1 second here. Let me look here. Hang on. So let's say you got the RAM Cleaner. You can force stop it. All right. You can do that manually, but the better way is just to have a good utility that does it for you. So let's look at RAM Cleaner. I'll show you what I mean. If I go to RAM Cleaner here and I click on it, I have 7 apps running in the background. Okay. So if I double click on this, or I highlight the multi-booster and press OK, it says I have to go, this is good, you have to give it accessibility service. So you have to give it permission to do it. All right. So I'm going to click OK. And you got to go to device preferences. This is just on this unit. And then I'm going to go right where it told me to, accessibility. And then you'll see that the ACC RAM cleaner is off. I'm going to turn it on and press OK. Now you can see it is now shutting down by itself automatically for stopping all 7 of the applications that are on. Okay. Now, of course, when you're using a free app, you have advertisements, especially if you're connected to Google, and that's just how they roll. So if we go down here and we skip ad, there's no running apps. You can see that. So there it is right there. All right. So if we go to cleaner and we want to clean our cache, let's say we do this, we just do this, press OK. And there's no storage to be cleaned. Everything, 10% is used. It is running the cache clean as I know it. Let me see if I can double click. Oops, what did I do? No. Let me go back. Sorry about that, guys. Let me do this again. So we have that. Let me double click this. I'll bring this up and. All right. So that says right there that that is running really good. Let me go back out. So I've already freed up the space. That's a cache cleaner. So you have a cache cleaner and you have a booster. So you could run any one of those and that's the RAM cleaner. All right. So basically having a utility on the device, you can either manually do it or you can get a good utility. Now, if you're one of our customers, you know we have this in our Unlink store, or you can get it from the Google Play Store. Either way it goes, having the RAM cleaner could be beneficial for you. Hey, thank you guys so very much over the last 12 months, especially right now watching this video. Every new customer that you came aboard or every referral, people that I've been working with for over 5, 6, 7 years. Thank you for making the Boxman.com and the Stream Machines and our whole team. I'll just say I am very grateful to have the people in my life that I do. If you're an older customer and you have a free stream device or an old Android device, we do take trade-ins. As long as that thing turns on, you can get a good box. If you're looking for a Christmas present at the last minute, don't hesitate to give me a call, text us, and we can work something out. With that said, have a beautiful evening. Go ahead and check out the RAM cleaner, and you will be pleasantly surprised. And we will see you in the next video.